If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the Chappan Bhog series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Khua or Khoya. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 3 tablespoons of ghee, half a cup of jaggery or gur, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now take a large pan which can hold all the milk, and to that first add all the ghee, followed by 1 liter of milk, which is roughly about 4 cups. Now bring this to boil on high flame, then reduce the flame to medium and keep the flame constant at this temperature, because we need to reduce the milk to a thick consistency. So as of now, it requires occasional stirring. When the quantity is almost half, then it requires continuous stirring. And if you have non-stick pan just like this, then it will be easy for you. So after some time, you will get something like this. And this is nothing but rabdi. But we need a thick consistency. So for that, keep stirring and keep reducing it. And when you reach at this stage, lower the flame to low, and we don't need to cook further. Just add the jaggery and the quarter teaspoon of salt and combine it really well with the reduced milk. And once you are done, you can have it as it is or use it to make whole lot of sweets. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Khua or Khoya. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.